Welcome to another episode of Grubmasters. I'm John, and today we're going to make Argentinian Chimichurri. Chimichurri is this amazing zippy sauce that you can put on your steaks, put it on chicken, pork. It's just amazing on beef, but it's really good on anything. It's got some red wine vinegar in it and oil, and then all kinds of fresh herbs. So it's got a bunch of cilantro. I have 2 bunches of flat parsley here, and then some spices. So I have about a tablespoon of fresh oregano, about a tablespoon of thyme. I have 6 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic that are gonna get chopped up, a tablespoon and a half of red pepper, and a tablespoon of black pepper. It's all gonna go into the food processor, super simple to make. It's basically just dump and blend, and it's just this great emulsified, thick green sauce. Some people do it a little saucier, a little bit looser. I like it thick, almost like a paste. And then I store it in a mason jar, and that jar will sit in the fridge and can store for up to 2 months as long as you keep like a thin layer of oil on it so nothing will spoil. But it's super tangy. So let's just jump into making this, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end, and I'll give it a taste. So first thing, I've already stemmed my cilantro, stemmed the parsley, and I'm basically just overloading this because I know it could take it. We'll have to give it a little bit of prodding. Tablespoon of thyme, tablespoon of fresh oregano, black pepper, red pepper, garlic, and it's going to take a half a cup of red wine vinegar. Give that a bunch of pulses and break it down a little bit. Then with a spatula, I like to just kind of poke some of it down. And just give it another go. That's pretty good. It's starting to break down now. Oh God, it smells so good though. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put in about a half a cup of oil. And then this is critically important. I'm told that you have to do this way. And this recipe is not broken, so I'm not gonna fix it, but put in a couple pinches of salt. You gotta make a sign of a cross when you do it. Hilda's a little superstitious, but again, if it works for her, it works for me. A little salt in there. And give another pulse. Hoping that that is going to do it. Oh yeah, that looks great. That's exactly what we're looking for. Just a little bit of stick. It's not soupy, it's not runny. It's more like a paste. Give this a taste. Wow. It's so super good. Again, it stands up really good against beef. Love it on chicken especially too. I usually store it in a mason jar, and again, it'll set in the fridge for up to a couple months. And if you let it sit, the flavors tend to meld a little bit more, and it's just so much better after it sits for a day or two. So make up a ton of it like this ahead. You can get a full mason jar, and you're just good to go to rock your next outdoor party. Yeah, this stuff is just dynamite, dynamite, dynamite. Give it a shot. Let us know what you think. Give us a like, a thumbs up, a subscribe, and most of all, get out there and cook.